All right, let's talk real for a moment. You've tried everything, cutting carbs, skipping meals, running till your legs give in, yet the scales won't budge. Sound familiar? I totally get it, because losing weight isn't just about sweating buckets or giving up your favorite foods overnight. If you're a beginner, feeling stuck, this is your guide to finally making progress. First up, forget quick fixes. Fad diets and magic pills? They might shift a few pounds in the short term, but they rarely work long term. What you want is sustainable change. So what's step one? Understanding calories. Weight loss is basically about burning more calories than you take in. But you don't need to starve yourself, seriously. Just try eating a little less, or swapping sugary drinks for water. Small changes add up. Next, focus on your food. I know healthy meals sound boring, but trust me, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains can taste amazing. Don't stress over perfection. If you love pizza, have a slice, just maybe not the whole thing. Remember, balance over restriction. Now let's talk exercise. You don't have to run a marathon. Walk, dance, cycle, or try a quick home workout. Whatever gets you moving, do that. Consistency is way more important than intensity. Aim for at least 20 minutes a day and build up as you go. Plateaus happen, and that's normal. If you're not seeing results, don't give up. Mix up your routine, track your meals for a week, or get a mate to join you. Sometimes a little support makes all the difference. And here's a big one. Don't obsess over the scales. Your weight can go up and down for loads of reasons, like water retention or muscle gain. Take photos, note how your clothes fit, or track your energy levels. Progress isn't just a number. Finally, be kind to yourself. There'll be days you mess up. Everyone does. The key is to start again, not give up. This isn't about punishing yourself. It's about feeling better, stronger, and happier. So if you're struggling to lose weight, start small. Make 1 or 2 changes, stick with them, and celebrate every little win. You've got this, one step at a time. If this helped, hit like, and let me know your questions below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.